Good morning, traders. It is beautiful, marvelous Monday morning, October 6th. Let's take a look at S&P and let's see what S&P is doing. S&P ain't pretty this morning at all. S&P is telling us right now, if you're an S&P trader, you want to take a big break. S&P is stuck at this brick wall, telling us it's incredibly corrective, reminding you the power of knowledge and the power of knowing when not to trade. So it would be an absolute miracle if S&P would make up its mind, because right now S&P is stuck at decision point 2, but currently sellers are not powerful enough and buyers are very, very indecisive. So S&P we're keeping completely out, as S&P reached the least important resistance between two levels. Extremely important level is decision point 1 because it identifies the end of the minor trend. This is the least important level. We're expecting pretty uneventful formations on S&P until S&P will decide with selling pressure. This is not touchable, this is not tradable. We cannot acquire position into this area. So we're staying completely out on S&P currently until we see impressive push to the downside. S&P is completely untouchable as of right now. So what do I see on oil? I see that oil picked up selling pressure since pre-market. 1 second, please. The sellers picked up this steam because oil spelled out so that buyers currently remain a bit weak. So what do I see on oil? I see that currently oil in corrective mode. I see that more than likely it's a very temporary pullback. I also see extremely clearly that price gave you a very lovely shorting opportunity pre-market, especially if you took advanced trading workshop. So once this bullish correction will finish, I expect oil at drastically lower levels. So it's a marvelous dance. I expect this to be very temporary. So, very quiet Monday morning. Typically Mondays are extremely quiet days. Both markets in bullish correction on S&P and oil. So monitor extreme caution and do not forget where the end of the minor trend is on oil. 88.67 is very powerful area. In order for oil to continue further down, it must break through this area. So, once this bullish pullback is finished, that's where we expect to see oil. And that's where we will be monitoring for longs. So, this is not the place to short, way too late. And S&P, this is not the place to buy, way too late. So, patience and discipline currently in a play. Excellent time to take a bit of a break as we are monitoring both markets in corrective modes.